Elsie from Richmond has a question about door refinishing.
Yeah, she's refinishing her stained wood door. Elsie writes, is there a particular brand you recommend? And the same goes for a sealer, because she wants to protect it outside from the humidity. The door is under a covered porch, doesn't get rained on, so it's not that bad a situation, but she wants something that'll last. What's your advice?
There's a lot of products out there that'll work. You can't just say, oh, there's this one I would recommend, but there's a bunch of them out there. But what I do as a contractor, when I have a project that I'm going to specify paints, stains, sealers, whatever the case may be, I go to the experts. So I would go to a really high-quality paint store. In my case, I would tell you Benjamin Moore. They have 13 of them, 18 of them around town, 18 of them around town.
A bunch.
Yeah, it was 18. But you always go to the experts and you say, this is what I want. Even bring a picture if you need to about what you want to do, and tell them what you're going to achieve or trying to achieve. You know, you might want a matte finish, a shiny finish. There's all kinds of different things you want to talk to them about, and they will come up with the right product. And then, of course, get a real professional to put it on. Or you can go to a professional painter like Rudy, and Rudy will end up doing exactly what I just said, and then go over to Benjamin Moore dealers like he did with your front door.
That's exactly right.
And he'll find the product that's perfect for what's going to be for you. He just redid my front door, and he used products that I wasn't familiar with, but he said, Tom, I went over there, and this is what they said is the best product for my fiberglass door. So mine was fiberglass. And when he painted my house a few years ago, he went to them, and he came back with a paint I never heard of that was more water resistant because I had trees and it didn't grow mold and stuff. So that's what painters do. So Rudy's Quality Painting can certainly refinish it for you. If you want to do it yourself, go to the paint stores and find out the products and how they should be applied, and get the applicators too.
You know what's cool about this is Benjamin Moore had a product for your fiberglass door, my metal door, and they'll have one for her wood door.
Product for everything, but you just don't know what it is until you talk to them.
And we don't know what you need help with until you send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom button, fill out the form, and send it in. We'll use your question in one of these videos or our Facebook Live.
Ding!